Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a look with the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I already have my base makeup done, so we're going to do eyes and lips because I didn't know what lipstick to put on because I haven't done the look yet. So it was requested I do a bold look, and if you've never seen this palette before, it's pretty neutral for someone like me, I guess, but you could still get a really bold look out of this, so that's what we're going to do today. So let's get right into it. So for primer, I'm just going to prime my eyes with the Fenty Beauty eye primer, and I'm just going to tap that in with my finger. Now to set that, I'm going to take this fluffy brush and go into the shade Tempera. I'm just going to run that over the crease to kind of set it. Now I'm going to take another fluffy brush, this one's from Morphe, and I'm going to go into the shade Burnt Orange and Golden Ochre, and I'm going to use those two in the crease as a transition. Next I'm going to go into the shade Love Letter, and we're just going to start building up that color. These shades are pretty pigmented, so I kind of have to work with it a little bit at a time, so that way they don't get too hard to blend out. Now I did the same thing to the other eye, I'm taking Cypress Umber on a smaller crease brush, this one isn't as fluffy, and I'm just putting it right in my crease, not going above. I'm keeping it very low, and I'm taking a little bit at a time and just kind of blending it into that Love Letter shade. Same thing to the other eye. Now for the lid, I'm going to take this Stila glitter in the shade Rose Gold Retro, and I'm going to put that all on the lid and kind of blend it in to where I put that Cypress Umber shade, but you'll still be able to see some of the brown. Now I'm going to do the lower lash line, and I'm going to use Love Letter, and I also ended up taking just the tiniest bit of Cypress Umber. I'm just blending it onto that lower lash line and connecting the top and bottom. Now I'm taking this tiny brush and I'm going to take the shade Vermeer, and that's going to be my inner corner highlight. And I also ended up using it as my brow bone highlight. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush again, just going to go into Golden Ochre again and kind of blend out the top. So I put eyeliner on, I just used the NYX one, and I'm going to take my eyelash curler and just curl my lashes, and then I'm going to apply mascara. And for mascara, I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex. And there you go, that is the finished look. Okay, I just threw on a nude lip, and that is going to do it for this tutorial with my Modern Renaissance palette. So let me know if you guys want to see any more looks with any of the palettes I have. Just comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe, because you have nothing better to do. I know you don't. So, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.